The available Rear Cross Traffic Collision Avoidance Assist, or RCCA, helps reduce the risk of collision by using radar sensors to monitor the traffic behind you. If a vehicle is detected approaching from the left or right, RCCA will alert you and may apply the brakes if appropriate, but it only works when activated. In the LCD display, select User Settings, then Driver Assistance, then Rear Cross Traffic Collision Warning. Check the box to activate the system. RCCA only functions if you are in reverse and moving backwards at less than 6 miles per hour. It helps detect vehicles traveling more than 5 miles per hour and less than 22.5 miles per hour up to 65 feet away. The detection speed and range may vary under certain conditions. Once a vehicle is detected, it sounds a warning chime. A warning on the outer edge of the side view mirror will flash, and an alert appears on the LCD display. If the rear view monitor is on, a message also appears on the touchscreen. This warning will stop when the detected vehicle moves out of the sensing area. The detected vehicle is right behind you. The detected vehicle slows down. The detected vehicle is not approaching your vehicle. If a collision with a vehicle is likely, RCCA may apply the brakes momentarily. Please note that each time you put the shift lever in reverse, RCCA will intercede with automatic braking only once if a cross-traffic collision is likely. After the brakes have activated, you must then take control. Remember that RCCA is designed to detect and help prevent collisions with vehicles only. RCCA is not intended to detect pedestrians. You should avoid placing stickers or other obstructing items over the sensor areas. Doing so may cause the system to not operate correctly. Please consult the owner's manual for info on where the sensor areas are, as well as more information on the parking warning system. The Rear Cross Traffic Collision Avoidance Assist system is a valuable safety tool, but it does have its limitations of operation, including when there is a vehicle or structure near that blocks the sensor's range. You are driving in a complex parking environment with many moving vehicles, backing out on a steep road. For a more complete list of limitations, please refer to your owner's manual. Remember that you are in control of your vehicle. Always keep in mind that safe driving is your responsibility.